Hello, everyone. Today we're going to be taking a look at patterns of deforestation and forest restoration. And the activity uses two different sets of maps, and you will be exploring those to see what the patterns are and provide some description for them. So when you open the activity, I believe that a copy will be opened, and therefore you should be able to automatically start editing the document. Once you get in, the link that you want to click on is this one right here, and it's going to open up a ArcGIS map. So I'll just open this. And the first thing I want you to do is try and figure out whereabouts in the world this is. And then the next thing they ask you is, what are these weird patterns that you see here? There's some really strange looking patterns that are found around all of these communities in this part of the world. So you're going to just give me a very quick description of what you think this is, and then we're going to dig a little bit deeper. It says click on the left yellow marker. So when you click on this one right here, there's a map that's in there, and you can click on the map and it will open up a more detailed version of that map. Just be aware that there's a legend on here hidden down at the bottom. You can zoom in and take a look at it. It'll help you figure out what you see and what the colors represent. The next thing you're going to do is do some manipulation of the map. So when you go in the content area here, you can turn on forest loss by year. And this is what we call false colors satellite image. So what they've done is they've altered the colors of the map in order to show certain patterns. So with this, it says that, well, you can turn on the legend here. So it's not the best here, but 2001 is sort of a yellow color. And then 2014 is the sort of teal looking color, and red's the time in between. So you're looking at, when was most of the deforestation happening? Was it something more in the past, or is it more something that is a recent phenomenon? The next thing we're going to do is open up the secondary map, and this one's pretty neat. You're going to be looking at South America in particular, and when you turn on this animation, it's going to show you the pattern of change over time throughout South America when it comes to tree cover gain or tree cover loss. So you'll describe the pattern in here, and then you're going to replay it and take a look for two countries in the world that have seen gains in forest cover. Quite often we focus on the negative aspect of things and the loss of forest cover, but there's actually parts of the world that are increasing the amount of forest cover. In fact, you'd be surprised at how much is actually gaining forest. So you'll identify a couple of countries. You'll also take a look at what's going on in Africa here. Why is this area here completely white? And then you'll find two articles, one explaining what's going on in one particular South American country, not continent, but a country, and then one country that is gaining forest cover. Then you'll give me the primary cause for the loss, primary cause for why the forest cover is increasing, and then take a look at what are some of the impacts that are happening in that region. So that's everything for the assignment.